The objective of today is to find the limit of x goes to 0 for x power x. Does it equals to 1 or any other value? Okay. Unfortunately, we are not able to find this term directly, but we can solve it indirectly. What we can do is, let's try to find the limit of x ln x for x goes to 0, where ln x is natural logarithm. This term can be changed to the limit of x goes to 0 for the ln x divided by 1 over x. So let's replace x equal to 0. You have a ln 0 divided by 1 divided by 0. So ln 0 is actually infinity, undefined, while 1 over 0 also infinity. It looks like unsolved, but as we learned before, the L Hospital rules can be applied. Okay, when 0 divided by 0 or infinity divided by infinity. Okay, how is it works? Okay, how the L Hospital works? So we continue. The limit of x goes to 0 for ln x over 1 over x can be found by differentiate the top and differentiate the bottom separately. Okay, so differentiate of ln x is actually 1 over x. Okay, differentiate of 1 over x is actually negative 1 over x power 2, which is negative x. Okay, by replacing x equals to 0, you get a valid answer 0. Okay, however, this is not our final answer. Okay, now the conclusion we have is the limit of x goes to 0 for ln x over 1 over x, okay, which is equals to the limit of x goes to 0, which is x ln x, which is equals to the limit of x goes to 0. According to the logarithm, okay, the multiplication in front of the ln can be the power of the value inside the function. So we have a ln x power x, which is equals to 0. This is what we found here. Okay, now how do we find what we want, which is x power x? Now this is what we want, the limit of x power x, where x goes to 0, is actually the limit of x goes to 0 applying the exponential functions. Okay, or sometimes people just say e, exponential function of the ln x power x. Okay, let's replace x equals to 0 into the equation. So you will have e power of 0. How do I know e power of 0? Because this part is equal to 0, which is we derive from here. Okay, so what is e power of 0? E is a constant number, 2.7 something. So power with 0, definitely you get 1. So finally, we come to the conclusion. Limit of x power x for x goes to 0 is equals to 1. As always, thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.